How to say husband and wife in Arabic? We have two words for each. There's the word مرات, which means wife of. This needs to be followed by the spouse or a pronominal suffix. For example, مرات محمد, Muhammad's wife. So we mentioned the spouse, or a pronominal suffix, مرات, his wife. We also have the word زوجة, which is just wife in general. It doesn't have to be followed by the spouse or a pronominal suffix. For husband, we have جوز. Instead of زوج, جوز. For instance, جوز سلمى. We have to follow it by the spouse, Salma in this case. Or جوزها, her husband. We added the pronominal suffix, her. We also have زوج, which is husband in general.